So, today we will start the new chapter, the chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Let's Program the Computer. Let's program the computer. So, everybody open the page number 24. Everybody open the page number 24. Once you open the page, then we will start today's lesson. So, everybody open the page number 24.
Yeah, I opened page number 24.
I open it also.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so so Abdul Rahim Fadi, Abdul Rahim Fadi, Abdul Rahim Fadi, can you read the first line of the chapter?
Yeah, I computer needs instructions to do work. A
Okay,
program
that's
is
good. That's good. A computer needs instruction to do work. Okay, so yes, Sharif, can you read the second line?
Yes, the second line
Yes,
in
please.
to what a program.
Yes.
A program is a set of in, in, in this
Instruction.
instruction
Instruction.
that instruction that tells us the computer how to perf-
Perform.
perform
Perform.
a task.
Okay. Okay.
Perform a task.
Okay. Okay. Ayman. Ayman, can you read the third line? South. South, can you read the third line, South?
Yes. These programs give us step
No,
by
no, this one, this one. The third line is this.
computer program are called software.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, Ayman. Ayman, can you read the fourth line?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Read it, please.
What? Okay.
Yes. Ayman, you want to read or not?
Yes.
Okay, read it, please.
This program
Okay.
Sharon they give
Step by step.
stop
Step by step.
stop by
Step.
stop by stop I
Instructions called.
stay a station
Called commands to a computer.
call command
Okay, okay,
commands.
okay. That's it. That's it. Okay. So these programs gave step-by-step instruction called commands to a computer. Okay. So Omar, Omar, can you read this line?
What, sir?
This one,
What, sir?
this line.
These programs give step-by-step instructions
Instruction.
called commands to a computer. The computer follows these commands to
Perform.
perform an activity.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Amgad Mohammed. Amgad Mohammed, can you read the first line of the chapter? Can you read the first line, Amgad?
Yes, a computer needs instructions
to do work. A
Okay,
program is a set.
that's it. That's it. Only the first line. Adam Khalid, can you read the second line? This one.
What's it? A program is a set of instructions
Instruction.
that
Instructions.
tell the computer who to
How to
program
perform. How to perform a task.
a task.
Okay. Ahmad Yusuf. Ahmad Yusuf, can you read the third line? Okay. Ayan. Ayan, can you read the third line?
Yes, sir. Computer programs are called software.
Software. Software.
Where?
Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's see. Mohammed Farooq. Mohammed Farooq, can you read the fourth line? Mohammed Farooq, are you there? Mohammed Farooq, you can unmute your mic, please. Omar Shahir. Omar
Yeah,
Shahid,
yes, sir.
can you read the fourth line?
The fourth line. Oh, wait,
Yes, this one.
this purpose in this steps by steps
Good.
information
Instruction,
told
commands.
commands to a computer. The video follows this
These
com-
commands
commands
to
to profession
perform.
and
Listen to me.
what
Listen to me first. To perform
to perform
an
an activity.
activity. Okay. Okay. So, so what does first line of this chapter is saying? If you see the name of the chapter, so the name of the chapter is saying let's program the computer. The word program means make a plan. Okay, program means to make a plan. For example, you make a program to eat dinner outside. You make a plan. You make a program for picnic. You make a program to celebrate the birthday. So, what does mean by program? Program means any plan, any idea. Okay, any plan or any idea. Okay, what that you can do with a sequence. For example, your friend's birthday is coming. You make a program. You make a program that you celebrate his birthday. Okay, you make a program, but this program has more things in it. Okay, so program is just a plan. Program is just a idea that what you are going to do. Okay, why you purchase car to travel, why you purchase mobile to call, to use internet. So the program means the idea for which you do things. Okay, why you study in a school? To learn new things, to study. Okay, so that's why the program means the idea or the plan for which you are doing something. Okay, so the first line of the chapter is saying a computer needs instructions to do work. Remember, the word instruction means, remember, the word instruction means the order or the command. Instruction means the order or the command. Let me write it here. Okay. The word instruction means order, or instruction means the command. So these are the two things which are same. Order and command and instruction all are same. Someone gives you instruction, someone give you the order, someone give you the command, all are same. So computer needs a order, computer needs a instruction, computer needs a command to do work. For example, you switch on the computer. Now you are not doing anything, you just switch on the computer and that's it. So will computer work? Will computer work? You switch on the computer is on now, but then you sit. After switching it on, then you sit and not doing anything. Will computer work? Yes, anyone can answer. Will computer work or not?
No, no,
No.
Why?
No.
All are right. It's a no. Why? Because computer
No.
doesn't know. Computer doesn't know how to run, how to do the things. Because computer can only do the things which we tell them, which we tell them. Okay. For example, you want to play game. When you want to play game, then you click on game, then the game will be run. When you want to play, when you want to watch cartoons, when you click on cartoon, then the cartoon will play on the computer. Otherwise computer will not play the cartoon with its own. Yes, very good, Saud. Very nice. Very nice. Saud write the same thing. Very good. That's great. Okay. So computer needs a order. Computer needs a command to perform things. Computer needs a commands to perform things. Okay. So the first line is clear to everyone. The first line is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Computer need us. Computer need us for the command because computer can work fast. But for the order, computer need us. Okay. We tell computer what to do. We tell computer what to do. We have to watch movie. We click on the movie. Then the computer will run the movie. If we have to play game, then we click on the cartoon or the movie, then the cartoon and the game will run. We tell computer now it's a time for this thing. So computer needs a instruction, computer needs a order, computer needs a command to do work. Okay. So the second line is saying that a program, a program is a set of instruction. So as I told you, program is just a plan. You made a program for something. So a program is a set of instruction. A set of instruction means there are something in it. There are more than one order. There are more than one order. Set of instruction. Okay, for example, someone told you that keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. So what is the instruction in it? The instruction is there should be no dust, there should be no water on the floor. Okay, everything should be on the place. The room should be tight, clean. Okay, and room should not be messed up. So there are so many instructions. There are so many instructions. Okay, so for example, one more example for the set of instruction. For example, what you have to do? You have to make a wuzu. You have to make a wuzu. The program is wuzu. For example, we make a program for wuzu. What we have to do in wuzu? We have to wash everything, the hands, the face, the nose, okay, the ear, the feet. So we have to wash everything. So we have instruction for everything, for the hands, for the face, for the mouth, for the ear, for the nose, for the feet. Okay, so there are so many instructions. So it's a set of instruction. It's a set of instruction. So in the wuzu, so there are so many instructions are there. So the program, when for example you made a program for a dinner, you made a program for a birthday, so there are some different orders, there are some different commands which tells the computer, which tells a computer how to perform a task. So for example, when you have to So it's when you have to run the car, okay? When you want to drive a car, what do you need? First, you need a car, okay? So this is one instruction. Then you need a key for the car, the second instruction. Then you have to be aware of driving, means if you don't know how to drive, then you can't drive. So three things are there. And then you have a license for driving, so four things are there. So it means four instructions are there, and when you complete all four, then you can drive. So in the same way, in a computer program there are so many instructions, and these all instructions tells the computer how to perform a task, okay, how to fulfill or how to complete a work. So all these commands will tell the computer how to fulfill the task. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So as program, in simple words, a program is just a combination. A program is just a combination of different commands. A program is just a combination of different commands. So different commands are also called as set of instruction. It means that so many instructions are there. So many instructions are there in a program. And program will tell the computer how to perform a task, how to perform a work, how to perform a job. So let me write the meaning of the set of instruction words on the right side so that everyone will understand it. Or let me write it first. So set of instruction means, set of instruction means, set of instruction means that many instructions, many commands, or many orders. Okay, set of instruction, it says that many commands are there, many orders are there, okay, at the same time. So set of instruction is this. And then what we have a word task, we have a word task. The task just simply means the job. Okay, for example, you click on the game, what do you expect when you click on game? You expect that game will run, but when you click on the game, now it's a job, now it's a task of computer to run the game. So it's a job of computer. So task simply means the job. So now the third thing, remember everything in the computer is a software, everything in the computer is a software. So everything in the computer is a software, and programs are called software. Everything in the computer is software, okay, but we call programs a software. Why do we call it a software? Remember, we see the word hardware. Hardware are those things of computer which we can touch physically, okay, which we can touch physically. We can touch mouse, yes, mouse is a hardware. We can touch keyboard, yes, keyboard is a hardware. Why? We can touch it. The system unit is a hardware, yes, we can touch the system unit. Monitor is a hardware, yes, we can touch it. But the game you are playing, is this touchable? Can you touch it? No, because the game is showing on the screen. When you touch the game, basically you are touching the screen, you are not touching the game. For example, you are watching cartoon, you are watching cartoon on the computer screen. So can you touch the cartoon? No. You can place your hand on the screen. So the thing you are touching is a computer screen, is a monitor screen. So it's a monitor, it's not a cartoon. So you can't touch the computer programs. The things which cannot be touched by physically are the software. The computer programs are software, but software are also the things which we can't touch. Can you touch the game in the computer? No. Can you touch the picture in the computer? No. Can you touch the movie in the computer? No. You can't touch it. You can't touch it. Yes, Saud, you are right. Saud, you are right. Very right. You are very much right. Okay. So those students who are sending the messages, Those who are sending the waste messages, so kindly don't send these messages. Okay. Okay. Don't send these messages. Don't send these messages. Okay. Those guys who are sending the messages, don't send these messages here, because there are so many chats, but only one student or two students send the good thing. Otherwise all the students send the rough things, nothing is there. Okay, so kindly, if you don't have any question, then don't send anything in the chat. Okay, because I open the chat just for you, that if you have any question you can just send the chat. But if you send the rough messages or the fake messages, means someone sent the message is just the link, the message is TSE2MMBING, it's just a link. I don't know what is this. Okay, and someone just sent the HHHIP dot dot dot, what is this? Don't send these things in the chat, please, because it will take a time. I open the chat for the students, so that if you have any question on anything you have to share, you can share. But just related to the course. You can share the things just related to the course. Like one student is continuously sharing the information. The name of the student is Saud. Saud is continuously sending the definitions, the things Saud is getting. Saud send the thing. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a task. See how good he is performing or using the chat. And someone student is sending the cat, someone is sending ABCD. What is this? Don't send these. Okay. Yes, like Sheriff sent the message, because soft copy are those things which we see on computer. Yes, Sheriff, you are right. Saud and Sheriff both sent the right message. Good. So if you want to send any good thing or the thing you want to ask, you can send it. But don't send those messages which are not related to the subject. Okay. So now we are back to the fourth point. So now we are coming towards the fourth point. The third point which we discussed is computer programs. So each and everything in the computer is a program. For example, you run the video. It's a run on the software. It run on the software. It run on the program. For example, you are typing something. You can type something on the Microsoft Word. It's a program. It's a software. So every software, every program, everything in the computer has a program. Every program of computer known as software. Everything in the computer has a program. And every program is called the software. Okay. So software have two things. See, every program of computer is called software. And software is also the thing which we can't touch physically. Which we can't touch physically. So everybody understand this point? All these 3 points? Everybody done?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good. Okay. So now we are moving to the next one. Now we are moving to the next one. The next question is saying, the next point is saying, these programs, which programs, these softwares, these programs give step by step instructions. So there is a step. Now here is the thing. Listen it most carefully, because here we are starting the basic part of the program. So these programs give step by step instructions. It means that you have to fulfill the order in the step sequence. In the sequence, you have to do it. So these programs give step by step orders, instructions called commands. Call commands to a computer. Call commands to a computer. These programs give step by step order called commands. So as I told you, instructions are also called as commands. So these programs give step by step instructions to a computer. These programs give step by step instructions to a computer. As I told you earlier that Instructions are just a commands or the order. Instructions are just the command or the order. So what do we got? We got these instructions give step-by-step instructions to a computer. Why I put the line on it? Just for the clarification, just for explaining the line, I just put the line on the word so that we will pick the word more clearly. These programs give step-by-step instructions to a computer. It give the instructions step by step. For example, you have to make a tea. How you can make a tea? Okay, how you can make a tea? First, you need a burner. Okay, then you need a bowl. Then what else you need? Then you need a tea leaves, you need a milk, and you need a sugar. So you put them on the burner, put the milk on the burner. So if you see, there are some steps. There are some steps. So first you need all these things. If you don't have milk, can you make tea? You can make something else other than the tea. You can make something, but you can't make the tea. Okay, so you need something. For example, you want to go to somewhere very far, and you don't have car, so you can't go without the car. You need a car, okay, of your own or your friend or anyone's car, but you need a car to travel. So you need things. So the first step, you need things. The second step, for making tea, you can put the milk in a bowl, okay, then you can switch on the burner. Okay, when you switch on the burner, the milk will start boiling. So you wait. When the milk start boiling, you put the tea leaves, the sugar in it. When you put the tea leaves and sugar in it, some people add water in it. Some people add water in the tea. Okay, it's okay. You can add it. If you notice one thing, you have a step. First, you put the milk in the bowl, and then you on the burner. So it's a sequence. Then, after putting the milk, then you put the tea leaves in it, and then you put the sugar. So this is a sequence. No one will put the tea leaves first, and no one put the milk later. Why? It's a sequence. Normally people put the milk first, and then they add the tea leaves in it. Okay, so this is the example of the sequence. This is the example of a sequence. For example, what is the instruction for the namaz? For the namaz, we have to make wuzu, because without wuzu, no namaz can be done. So this is a sequence. This is a step by step for praying. For namaz, the first step, you have to make a wuzu. This is the first step. So same thing is done in the program. In the program, you have to go step by step. Step by step means one by one. What is the first step for tea? We see it. What is the first step for the praying? It's a wuzu. After wuzu, we can pray, we can perform salah. The same way, the programs give step by step instructions. The program give step by step instruction. For example, you have to add two things in the calculator. You have to add two things. You write 2 plus 2. Okay, you got answer 4. Okay, but is this possible? Can you write plus first? You write 2 first, 1. Then you write 2. Then you write the plus. It's a second thing. Then you write the third thing. It's a 2. So you write three things. You write three things. But these three things are in a sequence. They are in order. If you write this thing in this way, you change the order. If you write this thing in this way, the words are same, but the meaning is now different, because this thing, the first thing, will give you the answer 4, and this thing will give you the point, give you the result 22. Okay, so see, the alphabets are same, but just the position of the things change the result. The result of this thing is 4, the result of this thing is 22. So that's why step by step sequence is necessary. You have to go step by step. Okay, so everybody understand the concept of step by step?
Sir, I write the question in the chat.
Okay. Okay. So,
Sir.
you understand it? Yes. Yes, you are right. Someone sent me. Yes, Sheriff. Sheriff, you are right. Soft copy, software means the soft copy, not directly, but you can say it. Yes. It's near to it. Yes, it's the same one, same thing. Okay. The soft copy is a thing which we cannot touch, but we can edit it, we can change it, we can erase it. Okay. The book you are reading, the book, this now this book is in your hand, it's a hard copy. But if you have this book in the computer and you can change it, so that would be known as the soft copy. The soft copy can be editable, but you can't touch it. You are right, Sheriff. Okay. So, so these programs give step-by-step instructions to a computer. The computer follow these instructions or the commands to perform an activity. The word activity means the task, the job, or the thing which is going on. Okay. So computer follow these commands to perform an activity. So this is the concept of program. You have to do the thing step by step. I'm just giving you one more general example. So what are the steps to go to school? For example, we take five general steps. Five general step. For example, what would be the first step to go to school? First step, you wake up. Okay. You first have to wake up. After the night, you wake up and then you got fresh. Okay. You got fresh. Okay. And what you have to do? You change a dress. Okay. You change the dress. Then you took a breakfast and then you move to the school. These are the five general steps. The first step is waking up. You can't change this step. The first step is wake up. When you wake up, then you can got fresh. So after freshing, you change the dress, and after changing the dress, you took a breakfast, and then the breakfast you go to school. So your program is go to school, and these are the five steps to go to school. See, in this way you can perform step by step, one instruction at a time, and at the end you reach to the school. In this way the computer works. In this way the computer works. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I
Okay. That's
understand.
good. That's good. So if you see in this page, what the thing is given, the thing is given. It's an example. We see three or four examples. I gave you three or four examples of the program. Now one example is in your book. Here is a set of instructions. See, one instruction, two instruction, three instruction, four instruction, five, six. So set of instruction is there. So set of instruction that tells us how to make a banana milkshake. So the first thing we have to do, place two scoops of vanilla ice cream into the blender. We have to put the two scoops of vanilla ice cream into the blender, and then we have to add a milk. And after adding, we have a third order. We have to cut two large bananas into small pieces so that it will be mixed well. Then we have to put the bananas pieces in the blender. Okay. So first we put the two scoops of vanilla ice cream in the blender. Then we add cup of milk. Then we cut two bananas into small pieces. Then add these pieces in the blender. Then cover the blender and blend at high speed till it becomes smooth. Till the banana, the ice cream, and the milk all can get mixed, all can get smooth. So then pour into tall glasses and serve. So then when it's get smooth, take it out. Take it out into the tall glasses and serve to others, or you can drink it. So everybody understand this thing? Everybody understand this example? Oh, that's great. That's great if you understand it. So, along with it, we are come to the end of the period. In this period, we see What is program? Program is just an idea or the plan to do something. Okay. And what does program contains? Program contains the steps to do the thing. To do the thing. So right now the period is over and we will meet in the next class, inshallah. One thing for you is that everybody have to do the assignment. The assignment is available for you. Everybody can open the assignment from the class light. Everybody can open the assignment from the class light. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.